In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung TV red light blinking and won't turn on. Firstly, power reset. Unplug your TV and V1 Connect box, if applicable, from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds and plug the device back into a working outlet directly to avoid using a surge protector, and try turning the TV on again. If it didn't work, 2. Check the red standby light. If the red standby light blinks or flashes, it indicates the TV is receiving power. This suggests the issue might be with the original outlet or surge protector if used. Plug in the TV into a different known working outlet directly. And if the problem persists or your TV still does not turn on and the red standby light keeps blinking, it may indicate a hardware issue. So, the only solution you have right now is to contact Samsung support for expert assistance or repair.